In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TurboTax on both Windows and MacOS. So if you're preparing to tackle your taxes this year and need to get TurboTax up and running, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the straightforward process of downloading this essential software. First, what we need to do is open up your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of your screen, type in download TurboTax and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results popping up in a matter of seconds filled with various links and advertisements. It's important here to identify the official TurboTax website, which will most likely be at the top of the search results. This official link is crucial to ensure you're downloading a legitimate version of the software. Click on the link that leads directly to the TurboTax website. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to glance over their offerings. TurboTax provides several different products tailored to various tax needs, some for simple tax returns, others for self-employed individuals or small business owners. This is your chance to explore a bit and select the one that best suits your individual requirements. Make sure to read the brief descriptions accompanying each product to understand what features you'll be getting. After you've decided on which version of TurboTax you want to download, click on the appropriate option. Here's where it gets a tad more critical. You'll be presented with two different operating system options: Windows or macOS. This step is essential because you need to make sure you download the version compatible with your current computer setup. If you're using a Windows-based computer, make sure to select the Windows download. Conversely, if you're on a Mac, select the macOS option. At this stage, you might need to follow a couple more prompts to confirm your choice and perhaps even enter some personal information if the website requests it. Just make sure all your details are correct before you proceed. After confirming everything, the download should begin automatically. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the software should be downloaded in a few minutes. And there you have it. Once the download completes, you can locate the file in your downloads folder. From there, you'll simply run the installer and follow any on-screen directions to set up TurboTax. It's that simple. You're now one step closer to a stress-free tax filing experience. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Follow these steps and you'll be up and running with TurboTax in no time. Happy filing.